Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we will learn about types of chemical bonding. The first is ionic bonding. Ionic bonding occurs when an atom loses electrons and another atom gains electrons. A metal typically loses electrons to become a positive ion, also known as a cation. A non-metal atom gains electrons to become a negative ion, which is an anion. The electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions form an ionic bond. Ionic compounds generally have high melting points and high boiling points, and they conduct electricity when dissolved in water. This means that they form electrolytes. Examples are of sodium, it loses one electron to become Na plus. Chlorine gains one electron to become Cl minus. They combine to form NaCl, which is sodium chloride. Now, covalent bonding. Covalent bonding occurs when two nonmetals share electrons to achieve stability. Each shared pair of electrons forms a covalent bond. Covalent bonds may be single bond, which means one shared pair, double bond, which means two shared pair, and triple bond, which means three shared pairs. The properties of covalent bonds are that they generally have low melting and boiling points, they do not conduct electricity, and they exist as molecules rather than giant structures. Examples of covalent molecules are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and methane. Let's talk about electron dot structures. Electron dot structure are also known as Lewis Electron dot structures are also known as Lewis structures. They represent valence electron as dots around the atomic symbols. They show how atoms share or transfer electrons during bonding. Examples of covalent bonds are hydrogen molecule. Each hydrogen atom has one electron and they share a pair to achieve a duplet. It will be represented like this: H dot plus dot H, which means H dot dot H. Oxygen molecule. Each oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons. Two pairs are shared to complete the octet, that is known as a double bond. The electron dot representation is like this: 0 dot dot plus 0 dot dot, which means 0 dot 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 0. This is actually not 0, this is oxygen. The coordinate, which is also known as a dative covalent bond. It is formed when one atom provides both electrons in the shared pair. It usually occurs in molecules where one atom has a lone pair and another atom has an empty orbital. Examples are ammonium ion, hydronium ion. Now let's talk about hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding occurs when a hydrogen atom is covalently bonded to an electronegative atom, like oxygen or nitrogen or fluorine. It is attracted to a lone pair on another electronegative atom. It is responsible for the unique properties of water, like the high boiling point. The properties of covalent bonds are that they have low melting and boiling points compared to ionic compound, they are poor conductors of electricity, and they generally exist as gases, liquids, or low melting point solids. I hope you guys liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a future lecture. Thank you.